Have you ever wondered how much time you've spent playing games on Steam? Well, I'm about to show you just how easy it is to check your playtime stats in under 2 minutes. Checking your Steam playtime is a simple process. First, open the Steam desktop app and go to your game library. Select any game you want to view playtime for. Right below the game details, you'll see how many hours you've played. If you want to see your total playtime across all games, you'll need to use a third-party site. Start by making your Steam profile and game details public. To do this, hover the mouse pointer over your username. Then select View My Profile. Click on Edit Profile on the right side of the screen. Click on Privacy Settings on the left side of the screen. Set My Profile and Game Details to Public to allow third-party tools to access those areas. The changes you make get saved automatically, so there's no need to click on any Save buttons. Now open your browser and head to a website such as steamtime.info. Type in your Steam profile name, then click on the Show Me button. You will get the results on your total hours played on Steam. Now you know just how simple it is to check your Steam playtime. Why not take a look and see just how many hours you've sunk into gaming? Be sure to let me know your total in the comments.